Visa Gift Card on Roblox. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use Debit Visa Gift Card on Roblox. So let's get started. In first step, you need to go to Google web browser and search for Roblox. In the results section, you will see a website that says www.roblox.com. You will click on this link and it will redirect you to their website. On their website, you will log in into your account, and after logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. From here in the upper bar, you will see an option that says Roblox. You will click on that option and now you will be able to see all of these points. Now from here, for example, I want to buy $4.99. I will click on it and I will redirect it how I want to pay. I will select Visa debit card as my payment option, and now I will pay through entering all the details. I will type in my email, my card information, cardholder name, country, region, and then I will save my payment method. That's how I will be able to use Debit Visa Gift Card on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.